everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are unboxing a subscription bag of stickers. Hello, so I hope everyone is doing really well and having a good time with whatever they're doing into the new year. I actually have a box, well, I guess a bag to open up for you guys today. This company is called Pipsticks. I won't be able to turn it over actually if I just cover the address. That's their logo. So basically, I love stickers and I actually do resin in my spare time. So my boyfriend actually found this company and they do monthly subscriptions of stickers that are delivered straight to your door, which I think is fantastic. It's quite pricey though. I don't know if this is including delivery, but I think it's £18 a month, so it is very expensive. But this is, I love it. They normally have like a certain theme each month, and the first month I did was space, and obviously people know me, I absolutely love space so much. So I'm just going to open it up now. I mean, the packaging is also beautiful. I love holographic stuff. So I'm just going to open it now. And they have a leaflet, I guess. Oh, there's a picture of that with a woman on it. They also give you a ticket each month, a raffle ticket. I'm just going to get that out to you now. And when you collect them, you get, I don't know what you get, I guess you get something free or some % off or something, I'm not sure. So this month is obviously February, so I guess it's going to be like all love and Valentine's-y stuff. So I'm pretty sure we're going to find a lot of hearts and pink stuff in it. So I'm not going to look into it, I'm just going to have like, just pick them out one by one. So the first one I'm taking out, it is stickers that say love on it. Like I said, it's February, it's the month of love, and yeah, so you have all these stickers. They're individual, so you can actually make, like you can also mix and match each one as well. So that's really cool. The next one is, okay, it's a bit weird. I guess it's ribbons or bookmarks or something. They're very, very pretty and very interesting designs. I also like how it has like glitter in these ones too. So it's really cool. Next one. So, okay, so this is more like flowers and stuff. I really, really like them. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. And next up is some love hearts. These will be great for my resin as they are quite a small piece and they have a little leopard print on them. I really, really like them, and it's a slightly different shade as it goes further down, so they'd be great to use. Next, I love this one so much. Oh my god, it's like, this is a Chinese takeaway stickers. Oh my god, they are so cute. I love them so much. I love like the little bags with the faces on, and you just have like, oh, even there. Oh, that'd be great for my resin. That'd be so great, like just a little Chinese little heart thing. Oh, love it. Next up is some hearts and crafts. Well, it's arts and crafts with hearts. I love it, and it also has like the little sweet hearts as well, which I absolutely love, especially with resin. It works perfect. So there's like little ones that say hug me, awesome, kiss me, you rock, XOXO. So it's really nice. I've actually been having this bag for a few months now, so I really hope that I can just have them forever because I love this so much. Next up is some black and white flowers. Well, not black and white, they're black and clear. You see some there, they're really nice, even like this, like the big one in the middle. I love that, they're so nice. They always give you one big sticker, and I don't know if it's something random or whatever they do, but this one's really cute. It's just, look at their face. actually love that. It's so cute. Oh my god. And next is some texts. So they have all different ones. So hugs, I love you more. We need to talk. There's just loads of them, and I really like that. Next up is some perfume bottles. Wow, they look really nice. I love that one there with the heart-shaped thing. Those really pretty. So with the price of this, I do think it is worth it. I mean, even though it is like £18, it is definitely, you do get your money's worth out of it. So next up is some more rainbows with faces. They are really cute. They are actually adorable. You get little ones. They're all the same faces, but I do like that. That is really cute. Next we have, okay, so I guess it's just like little journal stuff. There's little broken hearts there. You have like a little old tape recorder. Just those little bits. Just random little pens. I don't know what you'll use those pens for, but yeah. Oh, there's also a cassette there as well. So yeah, I like all them. They're really cool. We always get one of these a month as well, which is just a sticker that says something. So this is Self-Love Club. I think that's pretty cool. I really like that. I really like the message as well. Next up, okay, so this is a really random one. And it's all women's underwear. So they're all there. You've got some rainbow ones. Yeah, these rainbows look like some rainbows I got from a previous set of these. So I thought, oh, maybe they interpreted the design, if that's how you say it. But no, there's just loads of different ones. Really pretty. Next up is, okay, I really like them. They're just like little circles, but they have like all different things. So it's like, I guess, going on holiday and all that sort of stuff. Oh, there's like a little sushi one. I love that. My love language is, oh, okay. No, I think that's adorable. I love all of them. There's like a random dog there as well. I like that. And finally we have, I don't think it's even stickers. No, it says, okay, so you also get like some sort of card or postcard a month as well. So this is just got little plain hearts in it, and I like it. And that's the whole thing. So yeah, it comes in this very pretty bag, which I keep each bag a month, or if I have quite a few, I just put them all in like one bag. So yeah, here's all the stickers you get. That is so many stickers. My favourites are these ones. They're ladies' underwear, of course. I don't know, there's quite a few. I mean, this is not one of my favourites, but I really like the cassette thing as well. I like them. The perfume bottles, 100%. I'm just gonna put him in there because he is adorable and he made me laugh. Some, yeah, definitely a Chinese takeaway one. Some hearts. And yeah, that's probably about it. Those are probably my favourites. So yeah, I'm going to carry on with this subscription, or my boyfriend hopefully will carry on with this subscription. This is hopefully going to be a recurring video on my channel because I love these stickers so much, and obviously if it does well I will definitely do more. They are, I think this is definitely one of my favourite subscription bags I've ever had, because just how much I love craft, and I would say it's like inexpensive, but you know, it is expensive for stickers, I must admit. But all in all, I like this. I will carry on, and I'll definitely try and do more subscriptions on this channel soon, or hopefully. Don't know what the future holds, but yeah, so I hope you like this video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. So bye.